Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. Then again 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. Now 9 multiply 9 is equal to 81. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. P means parenthesis, E means exponents, M means multiplication, D means division, A means addition, and S means subtraction. First priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so is equal to, now first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay, so 11 minus 2. Now solve this parenthesis. 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. Is equal to, now here is subtraction and here is multiplication. So according to the rule, multiplication is first priority, then we have to solve subtraction. Okay, so 11 minus 2 multiply 9 is equal to 18. So is equal to 11 minus 18 is equal to minus 7. Okay, so the correct answer is minus 7. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.